In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a paywall for your videos on Substack. This process will allow you to offer exclusive content to your paid subscribers, providing them with value while also helping you monetize your work effectively. To get started, head over to your Substack homepage. This is where all the magic begins. Once you've arrived at your homepage, look for and click on the New Post option. This will take you to a screen where you can start crafting your new content. When creating content on Substack, you'll notice several options. You'll want to select Video Post to begin setting up your video paywall. By doing this, Substack will tailor the options to suit a video-based format, making it easier for you to manage and streamline the entire process. After selecting the Video Post option, locate the Select File button. This is where you'll choose and upload the video you'd like to share with your audience. Ensure your file is ready to go before beginning this step to avoid any interruptions in your workflow. Once your video is uploaded, add a compelling title. Remember, this is the first thing your subscribers will see, so make sure it's engaging and informative, capturing the essence of the video content. Following your title, add a subtitle. A subtitle can provide additional context or intrigue, so take advantage of this space to draw your audience in further. Next, it's crucial to write a detailed description for your video. This is a chance to give your viewers an idea of what to expect, make the content more discoverable, and enhance the SEO for your post. Take the time to be thorough but concise, ensuring every word contributes to setting the correct expectations. Close the menu on the right once your video, title, subtitle, and description are in place. Clearing up your workspace will allow you to focus on the next steps without distraction. Now click on the Continue button. This action will bring you closer to completing your video setup process. Here's where the paywall comes into play. You'll need to set your post for paid subscribers only. This step ensures that only those who have subscribed to your content with a membership have access, effectively placing your video behind a paywall. It's a great way to reward your loyal supporters and encourage others to join the ranks of your paying audience. Finally, conclude the setup by clicking on Send to Everyone Now. Doing so will share your content with all your subscribers. Those who have paid will immediately gain access, while free subscribers will receive a notification that they'll need to upgrade to view this premium content. That's it! You've now successfully set up a paywall for your videos on Substack, allowing you to monetize your efforts and provide exclusive value to your subscribers. Thanks for watching and happy creating!